right, we're going, boys. Let's go.
Wait. I'm coming. I know a way to get to the school. You can go through those apartments. Hey, Weston. You can go through those apartments and then you turn and then you're on Old Town. What? Yeah. Yeah. Huh. You can see I am with Weston, right?
No, I am Weston.
Yeah, you're Weston.
Also, dude, can you please ask me
Okay.
before you use my voice on TikTok?
Okay.
Yeah. The only thing that I just lost it. Oh! Where are the bugs? Owen!
Yeah?
Okay, I'm just making sure you were behind me.
There's the train tracks.
Yeah, that was
I mean, there's no train. I mean, no trains come through here, right? Yeah. These train tracks are abandoned, so if you watch this video every morning, you're not going to see a train come through here. See? No train coming. There is no train down there. Coming.
track. The train track. We gotta cross. We have to cross. When do we cross?
We just cross here.
Right now, right now. Go, go, go. Go. Move out, people. Coming in.
What? Yeah, we're going the right way.
Right, go.
I'm filming a YouTube video.
Oh.
Excuse me.
Yeah, oh, sorry.
Oh, hey there. Weston, I'm almost to my school. Yeah? Yeah? Come on.
You notice something?
No? What?
It's kind of boring doing this
Yeah.
now that we're at school. School is always boring. Nothing's fun about it.
Weston. Weston. I'm just gonna stop recording.